Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Dear Mathematics and also welcome to the chapter of determinants. In this particular session we are going to solve the number 4 of exercise 4a. So here it is the first problem, and the first problem is like this. We have to evaluate the value of x from the given determinant where it has been asked to determinant of 4, x plus 1, 3 and x it is equal to 5. So let us solve it. 4 multiplied with x minus 3 multiplied with x plus 1 is equal to 5, then it is 4x minus 3x minus 3, it is equal to 5. That means x minus 3 is equal to 5. That implies x is equal to 8. So here it is the value of x for the given first problem of number 4. Then proceeding towards to the second bit of number 4. Here it is given that x, a, m, 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 b, x, v, and the determinant and the value of the determinant it is equal to 0. First of all, we have to take common the value m from the second row. Taking m as common, from row 2. We have x a 1 1 1 b x v and it is equal to 0. Then c1 replaced by c1 minus c3, c2 is replaced by c2 minus c3. So here we are getting, first of all we have to consider the column 1 and it is replaced by c1 replaced by c1 minus c3. X minus a 1 minus 1 0, it is 0. Then c2 is replaced by c2 minus c3, it is 0 0. Then x minus b, then a 1 v, it is equal to 0. So we can consider this column, the first column, and we can find out the value of x here. So n multiplied with x minus a multiplied with the determinant of 0, 1, then x minus b, b. And the rest of the two values are 0 here in the first column. So we can just put here 0 and it is equal to 0. Then just simplifying this step, we can have n multiplied with x minus a, and here it is 0 minus x minus b, and the rest of the terms are 0 here. So no need to write down this zeros here. n multiplied with x minus a, then this is b minus x is equal to 0. Hence x minus a is equal to 0 or b minus x is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to a or v, and these are the solution of the second bit of number 4 of exercise 4a. Then proceeding towards the third bit. So here it is the third problem from the number 4. Applying c1 is replaced by c1 minus c3, we are getting here 7 minus x, then it is 0, then it is x minus 7, then it is 6x3, and this is x2 7, and the value of the determinant is equal to 0. Then taking x minus 7 as common from column 1, we are getting here, taking x minus 7 as common, we are getting here it is minus 1 0 and here it is 1, 6x3 x2 7, and it is equal to 0. Then we have to applying row 3 is replaced by row 3 plus row 1. Then here we are getting x minus 7 multiplied with minus 1, 6x, 0x2, then it is 0, it is 9, and it is x plus 7. Then we have to expand this determinant along the first column. Expanding along the first column, we are getting here x minus 7 multiplied with minus 1 multiplied with the determinant of x2, then it is 9, it is x plus 7, and it is minus 0 plus 0. So this will be x minus 7 multiplied with minus 1. This is x square plus 7x minus 18 and this is equal to 0. Then x minus 7 and this will be equal to considering or shifting this minus 1 towards the right hand side, we are getting just x square plus 7x minus 18 is equal to 0. Then here it is x minus 7 multiplied with x plus 9 and x minus 2. Just factorizing this polynomial, we are getting x plus 9 multiplied with x minus 2 and this is equal to 0. So the values of x is equal to 7, minus 9 and 2. So these are the results of the number 3 of third bit of number 4. Then proceeding towards to the next problem. Here it is the next problem and the fourth bit of number 4. Just expanding this determinant along the first row. We are getting here, this is 0 minus x minus a multiplied with x plus a, x minus c, x plus b and 0. Then this is plus x minus b multiplied with the determinant x plus a 0 and x plus b and x plus c. Just simplifying. Just you have to simplify these steps as usual the procedures by using the general methods of solving of the second order determinant. You will get after solving you will get 2x multiplied with x square minus ab minus bc plus ca. This is equal to 0. So here we will get two partitions, that is 2x is equal to 0 and x square minus ab minus bc plus ac is equal to 0. So either x is equal to 0 or x square is equal to ab plus bc minus ca or minus ac you can also write down. Then the value of x will be, this is one value and the second value is square root of ab plus bc minus ac. This is the second value. Then proceeding towards to the next problem, fifth bit. So here it is the fifth bit of number 4 and we have to find out the values of x here. Applying row 1 is replaced by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. We have, you will get x plus a plus b plus c, then x plus a plus b plus c and here it is also x plus a plus b plus c. Then the remaining terms are v x plus c a x plus b and it is equal to 0. Then we have to take the common of x plus a plus b plus c from the row 1. So taking x plus a plus b plus c as common from row 1, we are getting here x plus a plus b plus c and the remaining terms are 1 1 1 in the row 1. Then in the second row v x plus c a and in the third row c a x plus b. Then you have to just expand this determinant along the row 1. So let us see what we are getting here. X plus a plus b plus c 1 multiplied with x plus c a and here it is a x plus b minus 1, this is b a and this is c x plus b plus 1 multiplied with b x plus c c a and this is equal to 0. After solving this equation, we will get, you have to solve after solving these steps, we will get x plus a plus b plus c multiplied with x square minus a square minus b square minus c square plus ab plus bc plus ca, and this is equal to 0. So here we will get x plus a plus b plus c is equal to 0, or x square minus a square minus b square minus c square plus ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 0. So this is equal to x is equal to minus a plus b plus c. This is the first solution, and in the next solution we will get x square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, hence x is equal to square root of a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, and this is the second solution. So here it is the complete solution. We are getting two types of solutions for the value of x for the given problem. Then proceeding towards the next problem. Here it is the sixth bit of number 4. Applying row 1 is replaced by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. We are getting here x plus 3 and x plus 3 in the first row. In the next row 1 plus x 1, the unchanged elements are there 1 plus x, and it is equal to 0. Then taking x plus 3 as common, from row 1, we have x plus 3, then determinant of 1 plus x 1 plus x, and it is equal to 0. Then we have to apply C2 is replaced by C2 minus C1, and C3 is replaced by C3 minus C1, and here we are getting x plus 3 multiplied with C2, the unchanged column, here it is C1. So just write down the unchanged column first. Then C2 minus C1, it is 0, then it is x, then it is 0, and then 0, 0, and here it is x, and this is equal to 0. Then we have to expand this determinant along the first row. So just expanding along the first row, we are getting x plus 3 multiplied with, so just we have to consider the elements of a first row. So it is 1 multiplied with x 0 0 x, determinant of x 0 0 x. The remaining terms are minus 0 and plus 0. You can skip these terms also. So here it is x plus 3 multiplied with x square minus 0. Just we are getting x square minus 0, and this is equal to 0. That means x square multiplied with x plus 3 is equal to 0. That means x square is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So just solving this to x square is equal to 0, that means x is equal to 0. Here it is one solution, and then x is equal to minus 3 is the another solution, and this is the complete answer for this given problem of number 4. Okay, then continuing this number 4 and proceeding towards to the next problem. This is the seventh bit of number 4. So here just we have to apply row 2 is replaced by row 2 minus row 1, then row 3 is replaced by row 3 minus row 2. Applying this, we have the unchanged row is here 1 4 and 20. Then row 2 will be changed by using this condition row 2 minus row 1. So it is 0, it is minus 6, this is minus 15. Then row 3 is changed by applying the condition row 3 minus row 2. So here it is also 0, 2x plus 2 and 5x square minus 5, and this is equal to 0. As you can see, there are two number of zeros or maximum number of zeros exist in the first column. So you have to just expand this determinant along the first column. So expanding along the first column, you will get 1 multiplied with the determinant of minus 6 minus 15, 2x plus 2, 5x square minus 5. And then the remaining terms are minus 0 plus 0. You can also skip them, avoiding them. Then this is minus 30 square, 30x square minus 30x square plus 30. Then this is minus plus. So it is plus 30x plus 30 is equal to 0. So just solving minus 30x square plus 30x plus 60 is equal to 0, and then taking a minus 30 common. From the left hand side we are getting x square minus x, and this is minus 2 is equal to 0. So just simplifying this step, we are getting here x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0 divided by minus 30, that is equal to 0. So it will be factorized and we will get x minus 2 multiplied with x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 2 and another value is x is equal to minus 1. So these are the two solutions for the 7th bit of number 4. Then coming to us to the 8th bit. The 8th bit of number 4 is like this, and we have to find out the values of x, and you can see that in this problem the elements are in the form of, maximum number of elements are in the form of, basically in the cube root of a unity form, that means the contents of 1 omega and omega square. So let us apply, C1 is applying or is in the form of or converting C1 as C1 plus C2 plus C3. Here we are getting x plus 1 plus omega square, and here also x plus 1 plus omega square, and in the third element x plus 1 plus omega square, omega x plus omega square 1 omega square 1 x plus omega, and this value is equal to 0. But from the chapter of a complex number, we have already seen it in the 11th class. We know that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So applying this formula here, we are getting x omega square. Here it will be x plus omega square 1 x plus omega, and this is equal to 0. Taking x as common, from column 1, we have x multiplied with 1 omega square x plus omega square 1 and 1 x plus omega, and this is equal to 0. Then we have to apply certain conditions, elementary row transformation methods. Row 2 is replaced by row 2 minus row 1, and row 3 is replaced by row 3 minus row 1. So here we are getting x, row 1 is unchanged row here, so 1 omega square, just write down these values here, and then this is equal to 0, x plus omega square minus omega, x plus omega square minus omega, then it is 1 minus omega square, then it is 1 minus 1 0, then it is 1 minus omega, and this is x plus omega minus omega square, and this is equal to 0. As you can see that there are maximum number of zeros in the first column, so you have to expand this determinant along the first column. So x multiplied with 1 multiplied with the determinant of x plus omega square minus omega, 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega x plus omega minus omega square, minus 0 and plus 0. You can also skip them because it will again give the answer as 0. So just solving this step, this is the task for you. just solve the above equation. Solving the above equation, and this is the task for you. You have to solve it. Then you will get xq is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0, and the final solution or the answer of the given problem, that means the value of x is equal to 0 here in this given problem. Then proceeding towards to the next 9th bit. Here it is the 9th bit of number 4. Applying row 1 is replaced by row 1 plus 2 row 2, and row 2 is replaced by row 2 plus row 3. Applying these given two conditions and putting it here in the given determinant, we are getting 0, then 2 plus 2x, then x plus 8, then row 2 is replaced by row 2 plus row 3. That means it is 1 minus 1, it is 0, it is x plus 1, and this is 5. And row 3 is the unsensed row here, that means 1, 1, 1. And you can see that again we are getting maximum number of zeros in the first column. So just expanding the given determinant in the along the first column, we are getting this is 0 plus 0, this is minus 0 because sign is plus minus plus. No need to write down here, just remember these signs here. 0 minus 0, then plus 1 multiplied with 2 plus 2x, x plus 8, x plus 1, 5, and this is equal to 0. Then multiplying these steps, 10 plus 10x, then okay, write down step by step. 5 multiplied with 2 plus 2x minus x plus 8 multiplied with x plus 1. So here we are getting 10 plus 10x minus this is x square plus x plus 8x plus 8, and this is equal to 0. So let us solve these steps, and here you will get the values of x here. So this is 10 plus 10x minus x square minus x minus 8x minus 8 is equal to 0. Solving we are getting x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. That means x minus 2 multiplied with x plus 1, just factorizing the left hand side we are getting. Then equating both of the values with 0, we are getting x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here we are getting x is equal to 2 as the first answer and x is equal to minus 1 as the second answer, and here it is the solution for the 9th bit of number 4. This is the last problem of, or the last bit you can say, for the number 4 of this current video session. So just expanding, generally expanding along the first row without putting any substitutions here, we are getting x multiplied with x 1 6 3, and then minus 1 multiplied with 1 1 3 3, and then plus 3 multiplied with 1 x 3 6, and this is equal to 0. So solving it, it is 3x minus 6 minus 1, 3 minus 3 plus 3 multiplied with 6 minus 3x, this is equal to 0. Then this is 3x square minus 6x, it is 0. Okay, write down minus 0 plus 3, it multiplying, we are getting 18 minus 9x is equal to 0. So just solving, you can have 3x square minus 15x plus 18 is equal to 0. Then taking 3 as common here, we are getting x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. That means x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 divided by 3. That means it is 0. Just factorizing the left hand side as usual method. So it will be x minus 3 multiplied with x minus 2 is equal to 0. That means x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 3 is the first solution of the given determinant and x is equal to 2 is the second solution of the given determinant. So these are all 10 problems for the number 4 we have done in this current video session. In the next video session, we are going to start from the number 5. Till then, thank you.